Alright, just gonna clean everything all up around here. So, spent most of the day warming the place up. It's 50, a little bit 58. 3.5 degree increase from blasting. Alright, we got a bunch of parts that came in. My mountain did not get dissipated very far here. Damn tripod. There we go. So all these boxes came in all over the place. I got this halfway cleared out and it just got inundated with crap. So we're gonna see what we got in here. So we got a few boxes here. I know some of the stuff that's in there, but not everything. So let's go see what we got. A lot of crap. Let's start with a small box. Well packed, wrapped in cardboard, that always helps. Protects anything in there. Oh, what the hell was that? I don't know. Protected. Yeah, I know what that is. I know what that is. It's a broken Harley part. No, it might be. I don't know. Oh, another cowpie lid. That's what that is. See, I knew what that was the whole time. Alright, so that's another cowpie lid. Ooh, I thought mine was rusty. Look at the amount of rust they had in that thing. Whoa, that is some serious amounts of rust. Mine was pretty nasty looking. See, this one here, they blasted it before they sold it to me, so you couldn't see how bad it was. And the one I just did. This one looked like horrible, and I just did it. Looks nice now. See, this was pretty rusty on mine. Look how bad the rust is on that. But compared to this one here, that's some barnacles going there. That one's really bad. So this thing must have really been bad. See, I blasted mine a little bit better in there. What they did. Not too bad on the outside, but there you go. Still got a little corrosion still to go on that. And I can't believe how bad that is. That is nasty there. I don't know if that's so rusty, I don't know if it'll really work. That's the indent plunger goes in there, and it looks pretty bad. The hole in there is not the best. So it's 4-speed cowpie ratchet lid setup on here. Don't confuse it with a real ratchet lid. So these are 79 and up. Mid 79s when Harley went to these things. And this one has an S after it. So did this one. So I don't know what that means, but it's always the same. I know they changed these fingers here. About 82, I think. That's the only thing I know that's different on these things. So they don't really get too worn, but obviously they get really rusty. So, all right. So as long as the holes are still good, I guess we're good. So we'll see. So this one I have to blast a bit more and get it cleaned up, but overall, not too bad. This one, a little better. What else we got? Ooh, another one. Must be ratchet lid time. Or cowpie lid time, I should say. Oh, this one's got some pieces in it. It's heavy. Ah, there's mechanism. There's your ratchet mechanism. You can see how the plunger goes in there where that hole is. This is your neutral switch over here. That's your neutral titty right there when it hits it. So this one looks like it's fairly complete. It's just missing the arm that comes on the outside. It's not in there. You can see what it looks like on the inside in there. So this is obviously going to have to be cleaned up. I'm not sure how nasty it is underneath. I can see a lot of fungi growing down in there, so it's probably not the best up in there. Alright, so this here you got to pull the freeze plug out to get to the snap ring to pull this all apart. So I'll probably go ahead and pull this apart to see how bad it really is. You don't have to, but considering the amount of rust this guy's been selling me stuff, I think I should go in there and clean it all up, just to make sure it's good. Alright, that's one of these, so I got two of these now, and this one's the same thing, 79S again. There you go, getting a collection of these going. This one's been repaired already, looks like it's got a helical been put in there, so that's fine. Alright, cowpie lids, 79 to 86, late 79 to 86. So, 4-speed, big twin. That'd be shovelhead and early Evo, in case you didn't know. Alright, there you go.